So Klein tools, kind of checking your voltage output of your alternator and your battery is always good. But as you're driving along in an old Thunderbird, there's just a generator light. And I actually had 2 interstate batteries go bad on me. And if you've ever had a battery with bad cells, oftentimes they can wreck the voltage regulator inside an alternator. And this car has an alternator conversion. So how do you do an elegant voltage meter inside your car without some other type of bolt underneath the dash, which I don't have a lot of room for with my air conditioning, and I don't want to modify the instruments? Well, here's a trick that I used.
Thunderbird Garage, where the classics come alive. 57 magic, man, it's more than just a drive. Thunderbird Garage, let the good times thrive. Ooh.
So what do you do if you want to understand what your battery kind of voltage level is and your charging of your alternator in an old Thunderbird like this? Well, oftentimes in a classic car, you see people bolting some type of voltmeter underneath the dashboard. Well, I've got air conditioning there. I've got the hood release right next to it. And by the way, I think mounting gauges below the dashboard looks kind of hacky. I used to do that, and I did that on another Thunderbird that I have, and I'm kind of sad I did because I don't think it looks very good. But is there a way to do it? Well, I guess you could change a gauge. Maybe the clock, I don't use that as much, could change that. But once again, that's changing the original of the car. And remember, I don't mind technological advancements, but I don't love to modify things or cut into things that were original. So I was playing around with, what if we used the cigarette lighter? Well, I don't want to take that out. And it's got a bezel on it. So let me show you what I did. Come on over here. I've got this meter here that's also a charger for my phone. And I put it in here. Whoops. I put it in here. And it looks like it's sitting in there correctly, but with the bezel, it doesn't sit all the way flush to touch the contacts. It's kind of a bummer. So see, I put that in there. It looks like it's sitting in there, but once we turn on the ignition, you get nothing because it's not touching the contacts. Also didn't love this because it's got USB-A, but hey, and my phone has a USB-C, but you do what you can. So watch what I did. So I took this unit and I got a little set of springs. I looked for a spring that actually fit on there. Then I did the following. Put that right like that. And now you see that it's showing 12.8 volts in the battery. Get that straight. And then when I start the car up, it's showing 14.1 or 2, back to 12.7 just as it sits. So that's a way that I can now have a voltmeter and my phone charged, and then I just pull it out and I don't have to modify my dash at all. Quick trick for if I'm taking a long drive to make sure that I'm given advance notice before my alternator fails.
California light.